We can set the world on fire, fire.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. No, I'm not gonna talk about this vacuum robot cleaner. Yeah, this one is also from Yeedi and I've been using this one for almost 2 years now. I can clearly remember at the beginning when I have bought this one, I was so very skeptical that can I actually use a robot vacuum cleaner in my home? Will it be able to clean my room or will it be able to clean the home? But you can see I've been using this one for almost 2 years now. If you have missed the review video of this one, well, check my channel. I have already reviewed this one. And from then, I've been using this one on and off. I have also tried some other vacuum cleaners, but this Yeedi robot vacuum cleaner has stayed with me. Well, this one is a robot vacuum cleaner and one of the best. And these days, I was actually looking for a mopping vacuum cleaner, a vacuum cleaner which can do the mopping. And here comes Yeedi Mop Station Pro. When I have noticed that the brand Yeedi actually has this Mop Station Pro, I didn't hesitate for a second. I have ordered this one and I've been using this for the past couple of weeks. From my smile, from my face, it's totally visible that I've been very satisfied with this one. If you know a bit about me, then you know that I have a kid and yeah, you know about kids. They always mess up things. They always spill what they drink. They always put things here and there. They always do something that makes the floor dirty. And this Yeedi Mop Station Pro actually can do the both. Vacuum and mopping. This Yeedi Mop Station Pro, the robot vacuum cleaner, comes with two different solutions. This one comes with a 750mm, 7.5 liter dustbin. Yeah, we can use this 7.5 liter dustbin when we are gonna use this one as a vacuum robot cleaner, but the main part of this robot vacuum cleaner comes here. Yeah, this one comes with a mopping solution. That's why the name is Mop Station Pro. You know what? There is another thing I must mention. Like, I don't want to touch the dirty waters. I don't want to touch these mops when it's dirty. After it has cleaned my floor. So I was looking for a solution with auto cleaning of these mops. This Yeedi Mop Station Pro comes with two 3.5 liter water tanks, and these two tanks actually stores both the clean and the waste water separately. That actually helps to avoid cross-contamination. The self-cleaning system scrubs and rinses the mopping pads automatically every 10 minutes. Wow!
Starting air drying.
Not only scrubs and rinse, the mopping station also dries the mopping pads when the robot vacuum cleaner actually completes a task.
Air drying complete.
This is super crazy and super useful. Kudos to Yeedi. Yeedi Mop Station Pro can clean stubborn stains like dried coffee stain, muddy footprints, and of course this one can clean oil stains. Yeah, as I like to eat curry, sometimes we also spill some curry, we spill some cola, some different type of drinks, soups, and every stain has got cleaned with this Yeedi Mop Station Pro. What made me so happy is the difference between this Yeedi Mop Station Pro and some other robot mopping cleaners. Those mopping cleaners actually sprays water onto the floor and drags a mopping pad around, which would leave wet tracks all over the place. But Yeedi's two mopping pads are pressed tightly against the floor by a 10 Newton force. Wow, that's really an overkill. And they spins 180 R per minute to loosen and wipe off stubborn stains. As you have already seen, this one works perfectly fine. This one was built for hard floors. But if you are worried that, okay, I have carpet, I have different type of carpets, I have different type of floors like wooden floors, ceramics, and many other floors. People have different type of choices and different type of floors. In my home, I have wooden floors in my living room and ceramic floors in the dining room. So on both the floors, this one has performed very well, 100% well. There is no difference in performance, even if the floors are different. Also, when it detects a carpet, when this Yeedi Mop Station Pro is in mopping mood, this one will avoid carpet. But when this one is in vacuum cleaning mood, and if this one detects a carpet, bang! This one will increase its suction power. There are actually 3 different moods like 600 pascals, 1500 pascals, and 3000 pascals. One more time, I think 3000 pascal is an overkill. Well, how easy this one is to set up. Definitely we are going to talk about that. We are also going to talk about the application because there are a few nice and great features in the application. Well, let me put down this one first. But before that, there are three other things I want to mention. Number one, this one comes with 5200 mAh battery. That's a humongous capacity of battery for a mopping station or for a robot vacuum cleaner. This one can go on for 300 minutes, when it's in vacuum cleaning mode, and 180 minutes when it's in mopping mode. Number two, I have already mentioned that this one comes with a very nice base, and inside the base there are two different tanks, separate tanks. Each of the tanks can contain 3.5 liter of water. One is clean water, another is wastewater, and it's really very easy to fill in the tank which one carries the clean water and to throw away the wastewater. I don't even have to make my hands dirty. It's really a very easy and clean process. Number three, there are a lot of vacuum cleaners and moppers that I have used, but most of those vacuum cleaners and moppers actually doesn't offer to customize your home map. Those doesn't have the feature to vacuum or mop a certain place, a customized space at a scheduled time. This Yeedi Mopping Station Pro gives us the feature where we can select which room or which part of the room, or even a selected part of the room or a selected part of the whole home can be cleaned at a time and a scheduled time. For example, when my son goes to school, I have scheduled that this Yeedi Mopping Station Pro will only clean my son's room. And I have scheduled that this Yeedi Mopping Station Pro will clean my room when I'm sleeping at night. Yeah, why at night? Won't it make big sound, loud sound? No, this one doesn't actually make big sound or any loud sound. So even when I'm sleeping and dreaming something nice, this Yeedi Mop Station Pro does its work. Yeedi Mop Station Pro comes with the visual SLAM technology and flow tracking sensor, which easily lets this Mop Station Pro learn the home layout and plan neat cleaning paths without missing any spot. With the Yeedi application, we can schedule cleaning, set up no-go zones, spot clean an area, and moreover, we can schedule this one to work when we are not in home. Also, we can control this Yeedi Mop Station Pro through Alexa and Google. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you how to connect this Yeedi Mop Station Pro to its application. First, what you have to do is to download the Yeedi application on your smartphone. This one is available on the both Apple App Store and Google Play Store. After you have downloaded the application, either you have to sign into the application or sign up with your email address. It's a very easy process. After you have signed in, what you have to do is to click on the plus button on the top right corner and then scan the QR code on your Mop Station Pro. Select I have switched on the robot. Yeah, you need to make sure the robot is switched on, then click on next. Yeah, this is a self-guided process, a very easy process. And then the application will provide you with a QR code. Let your Yeedi Mop Station Pro scan the QR code, and yeah, my Yeedi Mop Station Pro is ready. Done. Well, here you can see my studio's pattern. Yeah, at this moment I'm using this one in my studio. I have another in my home. First, we can select area, auto, or custom. We can select a no-go zone, or we can select where we want it to go. So it depends on your personal preference and requirements. Underneath, we can select cleaning power. Then there is vacuum power level. We can select the level we need. Water flow level. This is really very important. Sometimes we need to select low water flow level. Sometimes we need to select high water flow level. We can select cleaning schedule, robot voice, and cleaning settings. When the robot is in its base, if we want the mops to be air dried, we can press on this.
Starting air drying.
One more time, you can see we can select or create different layers of maps. That's really a very important thing because my studio is actually on the second floor and I live in the first floor. So if I didn't want to buy two of these Mop Station Pro, I could have just bought one and use the same Yeedi Mop Station Pro for both my studio and my home. Yeah, this application is actually self-explanatory and this one will actually guide you through to all the features. I didn't even check or open the user manual. It's inside the box. Also, some people may ask why didn't I do the unboxing thing. I didn't buy this one to do a review video. I have been using this one for a while now. So when I have unboxed this one, I didn't think that, okay, I will go ahead and do a review video. So that's why I didn't record the unboxing thing. But if you're interested to know whether this brand Yeedi has provided any spare mopping pads or not, yeah, kudos to Yeedi. They have provided spare mopping pads. So if the first set of mopping pads are already broken, or for any reason if you want to change your mopping pads, you are gonna get a set of spare mopping pads inside the box. Well, how much is the cost? Because price is really a very important thing for some people. This one costs less than $700 US. Yeah, $699 US is less than $700 US. There are many other mop stations which is available on the market for $699 US, but this one costs much less than that, only $619 US. That's what I have paid for this. I'm not sure what's the price when I'm recording this video, but when I bought this one, I have paid $619 US. But some of my friends, after I have recommended them this Mop Station Pro, they have managed to get a bit cheaper price tag, and it depends. But even if this one has a price tag of $699 US, this one would be the best among all the robot vacuum cleaners, which comes with an option to mop your floor. Because don't forget, this one comes with a self-cleaning base. I almost don't have to do anything. Well, I have left a link of this product in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. And before you go to check the product, one request. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to click on the like button. Please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.